j'aime musique. Begouya.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel of She Is Royalty, where everybody is a king, a queen. We are all royal around this piece. I'm bringing y'all this this look. Let's just get into it really quick. I'm bringing y'all this rhinestone liner look with bomb lashes as I get ready for a photo shoot. I give you guys all the ins and outs as to how I created this look. I'm walking y'all through it step by step. Make sure you stay tuned, stick around. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel right down there. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I'm on your screen, wherever you are watching me. And without further ado,
Let's get down to business.
my brows are not looking that great right now, but you know what? We're gonna make it work, okay? All right, great. So for the base that we're gonna use, I've really been liking this as a base. Like, this is just, I don't know, this has just like been a game changer for me. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and it is in the number C12. If you're looking for like a shade range as far as like a base that you could use from this particular brand, I am an NC50 in MAC or 420 in Fenty Beauty's foundation. So that's kind of like a couple foundations to give you like a shade range. 356 for Maybelline Fit Me. That's like a shade range that you guys could use to gravitate, like if you need a darker shade in this as a base, or if you need a lighter shade, like if you're darker than me or you're lighter than me. I apply that to the back of my lids and I'm just gonna let that get tacky. Today's eyeshadows are going to be coming from the Warrior palette by Juvias Place. Taking this tan color right here, this is what I'm going to use as my transition color in the crease. Transition has been set, so now I'm going to go into this dark brown color right here. So taking this dark color right here, I'm going to first apply it in the outer V just so I could deepen out that V and define it, and then we're going to bring it into the crease color. So notice how in between the dark brown and the light brown, I interchanged each brush just to make sure that I was doing the blending in between, because you don't want to be able to tell where the dark brown starts and when it stops. Like, you just want it to be seamless like this. All right, let me blend out this base a little bit, because this base is going to basically adhere our light color that we're going to use on our lid. So I'm taking this light, like peachish color right here, and I'm just going to pack this on. But while I'm packing it, I'm kind of blending it with the dark brown as well. Watch and look. Now with the same brush that I applied the dark brown with, I'm just gonna go in and blend all the ends of that tan color because we want it to all blend together. And I'm just lightly tapping it. I'm not being rough with it, I'm just lightly tapping it. Here's what I'm going to do next. I have a glitter liner. This is what I'm going to first start off just by shaping the liner just so I can measure like how thick I want it, how wide I want it to be. You guys, glitter liners, y'all can find them anywhere. I got this pack from Amazon like a while ago and I want to say it was less than $20. So Amazon is the GOAT. Period. So I'm just going to take the liner, and luckily it has like a tapered shape like this for the wand. Now, matter of fact, I lied. I need some tape first. Because I want my liner to be like OD sharp and pungent and defined, I'm gonna take some tape. This is just some regular old Scotch tape. And I'm just gonna apply it to the ends of my eyes. I wanna make sure that it's stuck literally between the corner of my eye and the end of my brow. And then make sure you also fold like the end of it so like it'll be easy to just like flip off. All right, let's start this liner. These are the gems I'm gonna apply right on top. They're really, really tiny. I wanna say I got these from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's with a tweezer. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of, apply a little lash glue. And I'm just adding dots. Yo, the amount of times like gems fell off of this tweezer and this brush, it can get very frustrating. Like, you need to take your time. After applying the liner is now obviously dry. So what I basically did was used my lash adhesive, which is very bomb. It gets tacky really quick. If you guys have not taken the time to look into my eyelash adhesives, you guys can get them off of www.sheisroti.net. I literally applied dots of them and then applied the gems on the dots. But now, the lashes that I'm gonna apply are my Slay lashes. I'm gonna get these nice and ready. I'm gonna put some glue on them while this is drying so that I'm ready to just apply them. We're not putting any black liner on. Obviously that would defeat the purpose of this whole entire look. Okay, now it's time to do the face. For foundation, I'm gonna use a mixture of two colors. I'm gonna use 340 Cappuccino and 356 Warm Coconut, even though they're still gonna be orange, but wait, just wait. It's gonna come together. For concealer, I wanted to switch it up a bit, so I'm using the Juvias Place concealer in the number 12. Right on top of that, I'm going to add the Maybelline Age Rewind in the color Golden to lighten it up. To bake, you already know the Sacha Buttercup powder. To smoke out the bottom, I'm going to go back into this dark brown from before, and I'm just going to apply it on the bottom lash line. For under eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Inglot Gel Liner in the number 77. And now for all over face powder, I'm going to add some color back into my skin. So I'm going into the Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. And I'm just going to literally push that in. Ladies and gentlemen, this blush cost me $1.48 and it is by Maybelline. We're going to use the blush, the color Berry Bay. For highlighter, we're going to use the Molten Gold Maybelline Master Chrome. Yo, this is bomb. Aha, aha. $2 never look good. Okay. I don't know why I stopped using this. You know why? I know why. My skin get tore up. I'm even gonna put some on the upper brow bone area. All right, so for lips, of course, we're gonna start with the brown liner. Brown liner always sets the tone for everything. Y'all, just a regular old 99 cents brown liner. This is the same pencil I used on my brows. Listen, get as many uses as you can, okay? And this is the Wet n Wild liner in the color Simma Brown. This is the MAC lipstick in the color Photo. It's like this brown. I'm going to take this and put this on the outer part. And then I'm going to take the color Stone and put this in the middle. It's like a grayish brown. There we go. This is the color Beeper by Colourpop. So the gloss I'm gonna add on top is Butterfly Bling. This was from the Mariah Carey collection. Yo, I bought everything from that collection. I'm gonna load the gloss, load. Not only is it like a nude gloss, it's a nude gloss with glitter too. Let me get dressed. I'll be right back. Thank y'all so much for tuning into today's tutorial. I really hope y'all like this little... If y'all like this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share, like, comment, all that jazz, all that jazz. And until then, I will see y'all next time. Deuces.